Ever wonder why clean arteries are vital for your health? Well, let's take a deep dive into this fascinating topic. Picture this. You're a tiny red blood cell, freshly oxygenated and ready to embark on a journey through the intricate network of the human body. Your lifeline? The arteries, the superhighways of the circulatory system. Now these arteries are not just passive tubes, oh no. They're vibrant, active structures, constantly expanding and contracting to deliver your life-sustaining cargo of oxygen-rich blood from the heart to every single cell in the body. Whether it's the brain cells working overtime to solve a puzzle, or the muscle cells in your legs pushing you through that last mile of a run, they all rely on clean, clear arteries to get the job done. But what happens when these arterial highways get clogged? Imagine a bustling freeway suddenly choked with traffic. The flow slows, the journey takes longer, and the cells waiting for their oxygen delivery start to suffer. This is what happens in our bodies when plaque builds up in our arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. The risks associated with clogged arteries are severe. We're talking heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. We're talking stroke, which occurs when the blood supply to part of the brain is interrupted. We're talking peripheral artery disease, which can lead to pain and fatigue in the legs. These conditions can drastically reduce the quality of life, and in many cases, they can be fatal. But here's the good news, they're largely preventable. By maintaining clean arteries, we can ensure that our blood flows freely, nourishing every cell and supporting every function of our bodies. So, here's the takeaway. Our arteries are more than just blood vessels. They're our lifelines. And keeping them clean and clear is one of the most important things we can do for our health. Clearly, it's crucial to keep arteries clean for optimal health. What are the benefits of having clean arteries, you might ask? Well, let's dive right into it. First off, clean arteries mean increased energy. Imagine your body as a city, with arteries being the highways and blood being the vehicles that transport oxygen and nutrients. When these highways are clear, traffic moves efficiently, ensuring all parts of the city, your body, receive what they need promptly. This results in you feeling energized and ready to tackle whatever life throws at you. Secondly, clean arteries lead to improved heart function. With unobstructed pathways, your heart doesn't need to work overtime to pump blood. It's like upgrading to a high-speed train from a slow-moving cart. Your heart, thus, runs smoother and lasts longer, just like that well-oiled machine you've always wanted it to be. Decreased risk of heart disease and stroke is another significant benefit of clean arteries. When arteries are free of plaque, the chances of forming blood clots reduce dramatically. It's like removing roadblocks from your highways. This prevention of blockage drastically lowers the risk of heart attacks and strokes, leading to a healthier, longer life. Now let's connect clean arteries to overall well-being. When your body is well oxygenated and nourished, it has a domino effect on all aspects of your health. You think clearer, move easier, and even sleep better. Yes, clean arteries can help improve your sleep quality too. And let's not forget about the mental health benefits. When your brain receives a steady, unobstructed flow of oxygen-rich blood, it functions at its best. This leads to improved focus, sharper memory, and better mood regulation. You might find yourself feeling happier and more balanced, all thanks to those clean arteries. So there you have it. Clean arteries are a gateway to a world of health benefits, from increased energy and improved heart function to decreased risk of disease and enhanced mental health. Clean arteries are not just about heart health. They're about overall well-being. So, what happens if your arteries aren't clean? Well, let's delve into the gritty details. Clogged arteries, also known as atherosclerosis, is not just an inconvenience. It's a serious health risk that can lead to dire consequences. Imagine your arteries as a bustling highway and the blood as the cars zooming down the road. Now picture a traffic jam on this highway. That's essentially what's happening in your arteries when they're clogged. The blood can't flow smoothly and quickly, creating a host of problems for your body. One of the most common issues arising from this traffic jam is heart disease. When the arteries that supply blood to your heart become blocked, it can lead to angina, a type of chest pain, or even a heart attack. In fact, heart disease is the leading cause of death for both men and women worldwide. But the heart isn't the only organ at risk. Clogged arteries can also lead to stroke. When the arteries that supply blood to your brain are blocked, it can cause a stroke. This happens when part of your brain doesn't get the blood it needs, and without blood, your brain cells can die, leading to brain damage, disability, or even death. There's also peripheral artery disease, a condition where the arteries supplying blood to your limbs, most commonly your legs, become narrowed. This can lead to painful cramping, but in severe cases it can cause gangrene, a condition where tissue dies due to lack of blood flow. This can sometimes lead to the need for amputation. These health issues aren't just scary, they're life-altering, and in many cases life-threatening, but they're also largely preventable. Changing your lifestyle, adopting a healthy diet, and regularly exercising can go a long way in keeping your arteries clean and your blood flowing smoothly. The risks associated with dirty arteries are too great to ignore. Remember, your arteries are your body's highway, and it's your job to keep them clear for the smooth flow of traffic. The next time you think about skipping that workout or reaching for a fatty, greasy meal, picture that traffic jam in your arteries and make a healthier choice. Now that you understand the importance of clean arteries, how can you keep them clean? It's a fair question, and the good news is, there are several practical steps you can take to maintain the health of your arteries. First and foremost, let's talk about diet. Eating a heart-healthy diet is fundamental to keeping arteries clean. This means plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats like those found in avocados and olive oil. Limiting processed foods, saturated fats, and sugars can also go a long way in preventing plaque buildup in your arteries. Next, let's get moving. Regular exercise is a powerful tool in maintaining arterial health. Whether it's a brisk walk, a swim, or a bike ride, get your heart pumping for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Not only will this help keep your arteries clean, but it also contributes to overall cardiovascular health. If you're a smoker, it's time to quit. Smoking damages your arteries, making them more prone to plaque buildup. It's no easy feat to kick the habit, but the benefits to your arterial health make it more than worth the effort. Reach out to a healthcare professional or a support group to help you on your journey to becoming smoke-free. Lastly, don't forget to manage your stress. Chronic stress can contribute to arterial damage over time. Find healthy outlets for stress, whether it's through meditation, yoga, reading, or simply spending time with loved ones. And remember, regular checkups with your healthcare provider are crucial. They can monitor your arterial health and guide you in making the right lifestyle changes. By making these lifestyle changes, you can take control of your arterial health. It's not just about preventing disease, but also about living a healthier, happier life. Your arteries are the highways of your body, and keeping them clean ensures a smoother, safer journey. Don't wait until it's too late. Take the driver's seat in your health today. To sum it all up, the vitality of clean arteries cannot be overstated. A healthy cardiovascular system is a cornerstone of overall wellness, and the state of our arteries plays a crucial role. When our arteries are clean, our heart can pump blood efficiently, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our bodies. This allows us to thrive, leading active, vibrant lives. On the flip side, dirty arteries laden with plaque and cholesterol can spell danger. They restrict blood flow, forcing the heart to work overtime. This can lead to a myriad of health issues, from hypertension and heart disease to stroke and even death. It's a grim picture, but one we must confront if we are to take control of our health. But there's good news. Keeping our arteries clean is within our grasp. It's not about quick fixes or miracle cures, but rather, it's about making consistent, healthy choices. It's about embracing a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's about staying active, whether that means hitting the gym, going for a brisk walk, or dancing in your living room. It's about avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive drinking. And it's about regular checkups, because prevention is always better than cure. So let's celebrate the amazing, complex machinery that is our bodies by taking good care of our arteries. Let's make those heart-healthy choices. One meal, one workout, one day at a time. Let's educate ourselves and others about the importance of clean arteries, because knowledge is power. Remember, your arteries are your lifeline. Keep them clean, and they'll keep you healthy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Take care.